Here are the 14 most terrifying things captured on doorbell cameras. Number 14. In this video, a man parks his automobile but does not turn it off. He then steps outside and walks toward the two parked cars. He tries to unlock the Jeep first, but it was locked, so he couldn't get in. He then proceeds to the other car, opened the door, and peeked inside. He discovered some precious items within. He took them, returned to his car, and drove away. Number 13. A man was standing on his front porch when a large black bear attempted to enter because the creature saw his puppies. By placing the wooden couch on the door, the guy confronted the bear in order to preserve the puppies. He was nevertheless afraid. He took the puppies inside. I'm thankful no one was wounded and that the homeowner was able to save those adorable puppies. Number 12. At midnight on January 18th, 2022, in St. Louis, Missouri, two armed men attempted but failed to shatter the door by kicking it. The scene was captured on camera, and the footage of these two individuals was given to police, who tracked them down and eventually arrested them. Number 11. In this video, the camera captures some bizarre creatures that appear human but move strangely. Some viewers remarked on the video, comparing the beast to Dobby from the Harry Potter series. A woman called Vivian captured it on her camera and reported seeing scary things. She shared the video on the internet and it quickly became viral. Some compared it to a teenager putting his undergarments on his head. Bobby, Vivian's young son, was an experimenter. He wore his underwear on his head and prepared to be the beast. Although it appeared to be him, the child stated that it was not him. It's still unclear whether it was a creature or Bobby. Bobby and Darby. What a strange coincidence. Number 10. A homeowner in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, built a doghouse with a portable heater to keep his dog warm. It caught fire all of a sudden. The dog bolted toward the automobile and began to bark. He continued to yell for rescue, but no one responded. The dog crept beneath the automobile and continued to bark. When this happened, the owner's sister received a phone alert about a fire breaking out while the owner and her 75-year-old grandfather were sleeping. Everyone was safe since the owner's sister handled the issue flawlessly. Number 9. When a man tried to open the door of his automobile, a snake wrapped around the rod bit of his face. The owner yelled in agony and hurried to the hospital for examination. Lesson learned: always check before opening. Number 8. Park Homes, commonly known as O-Block, is one of Chicago's most violent neighborhoods. A man with a white sweatshirt and a cap approaches the door and rings the doorbell. But he appears to have overdosed on drugs. He's moving around like a lunatic, imitating himself by leaning down, yet being unable to stand still. He'd lost control due to the pills. Number 7. When these two young boys went on a walk outside their house, they noticed a clown approaching them. Both boys panicked and dashed to their home, trailed by the menacing clown. One youngster hit a flawless stroke. He stepped forward and smacked the clown. These frightening clowns. I'm glad he got a good slap from that man. Number 6. A Ring camera captured a bear trying to open the auto gate late at night in this video. He eventually opened it and attempted to get inside the car. His paw struck the horn, causing it to beep. Never leave your automobile open if you don't want to find a bear inside. Number 5. An older woman was seen strolling up to a property in Phoenix, Arizona, where she noticed a Ring camera stood there and made facial and hand movements. She then abruptly snatched a U.S. Navy sign and walked away. I'm curious about what she required with that place card. Number 4. This scary man gets captured on the doorbell, knocking on the door repeatedly. In the background, the homeowner's dog was barking. The time was 1 a.m. As a result, he announced the message over the doorbell.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hey boy, it's King. This King. We got an episode. Will put his hands on me. Dude stole me at the store. They don't want that.
The man stated that he was looking for a man named Chris. We are unable to answer the door at this time, but you may leave a message. According to the homeowner, there is no Chris who lives there. I believe he's on something because I don't understand anything this guy said. Number 3. A biker attempted to steal a parcel, and the Ring camera caught him. "Can I assist you?" the owner said through the camera. When the child panicked, the package slipped from his grasp and fell on the floor, and he left on his bike. Number 2. 3 males are hiding behind a tree in this video, and this girl has a parcel in her hand as she approaches the door and rings the doorbell. "Hello?" asked the owner through the camera.
Hello?
DoorDash, go ahead for it?
No, I didn't get anything.
Oh, okay. Have a good day.
You too.
When is she going to leave? The video shows 3 males moving together. They all left the home, jumped in their cars, and drove away. Always be on the lookout for these scams and don't fall for them. Stay tuned for a surprising number 1 pick. Number 1. This man, dressed in a yellow and orange vest, was attempting to open a door with his partner. The owner noticed 2 individuals attempting to break into his property in broad daylight using the Ring app. "Get away from the front door." He acted quickly, using the doorbell's 2-way speaker feature to send them fleeing. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to our channel and smash the bell icon so you get notified whenever we post new content. Until then, stay vigilant.